Hello there, fam. Welcome to this series on how to become a MetaQuest 3 VR developer using Unreal Engine 5.3. By the end of this series, you'll be able to create, package, and play your very own VR game on your MetaQuest 3. Follow this series step by step without skipping till the end, and you will become a VR developer in Unreal Engine. This is going to be an introductory video for the series, so let's get to it. These are the minimum requirements for you to follow this series smoothly. First, you need a good system on which you can run Unreal Engine. These are the specs for Windows. Second is you will require a MetaQuest 3 VR physical headset so you can test and debug your APK. And third is somewhat familiarness with Unreal Engine UI and blueprints. Before we start developing and get into the cool stuff, it's essential for you to know the basic concepts for the development in Unreal Engine 5.3, such as we will be developing on an Android platform. Why is that, you may ask? For that, we need to know a bit about the history of Oculus. Oculus was a company which made waves in the VR industry. The headsets which they provided were based on Windows operating system. These type of headsets are called PC Link headsets, which means you need to have a powerful PC to use the VR headset in the first place. Then comes along the acquisition of Oculus by Meta, and hence the shift from PC Link headsets to standalone headsets. Meta wanted to make the VR devices portable, which was why they decided to shift from Windows to Android. They created their own operating system for the MetaQuest 3 VR, which is the Horizon OS. Horizon OS is an Android based operating system. So we will be developing our game for an Android in form of an APK. If you want to build for PC Link, then just package for Windows. Next up, we need to know what NDK and SDK is. NDK is Native Development Kit and SDK is Software Development Kit. To put it simply, they are just a set of libraries which you will need if you want to create an Android application. You cannot create an APK without SDK, NDK or Java tools. So it's essential for you to follow the next video closely. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like our video series. See you in the next one.